aba asante kotoko na wanya call up abeka say dey free no obi anka ho e wo say ye ma Ghanaian players mo ha no those playing in Ghana no omo ne omo other competitors or omo so elsewhere in the world e compete for positions ana say bia yem fight for a quota system bi say bia be 2-3 positions bi there outfield players yem fan free omo ana yenye ne den yem omo compete on a level grounds ana say yem omo special dispensation bi say yeah, let's find a quota because bia on a level ground by maybe they can't match nti yem special dispensation mi omo maybe as a 3 bi ne bi sa.
Well, PJ, this is a very good topic, and rather me can be about the honorable Corneille Japon. I can say she's a national team local players in African Cup of Nations House making examples as to the dynamics it may have been in terms of national team building. She see how far countries in Africa now share the kind of players or more national teams anymore. You hardly see local players unless that country is not having players or more. Even those countries are almost said any players are or more. They've devised strategies out. See how more they pay players or more if I'm on the neighbor. Now say Mubatina Kate say Bashir Hereford at Somalia every very first ever World Cup qualifying game against Zimbabwe, and in the history of Somalia they were able to assemble 12 foreign-based players, all because Somalia for that I announcement say obi bia oye Somalia ni and I say oye of Somalia descent bobo obi bia so obi na onimu na yi Somalia Football Federation asute no mo starting player nyere engage no mo convincing no mo Somalia national team, and the Sudan for sure the same thing. Sudan Football Federation no communications director, he's always in my inbox sending players be more of Sudanese descent bobo baby men country players because someone said if they can compete and Al Hilal and American players in quality more compete players are almost development in Europe and other places are more and say all that quality to compete with the likes of Ghana, the likes of Algeria, Egypt, Tunisia. I was also mentioning say years ago say Kayaka Algeria national team okay dominated by local based players. Omo Bobo Edma ESF MC Orge USM Orge for no omo can dominate. But see I change Algeria can assemble a 23-man squad for African Cup of Nations, and the only local players are who are goalkeepers. Even Omo national team goalkeeper is a foreign-based goalkeeper. Second choice is a foreign-based goalkeeper. And Atenji, over Morocco, it is the same thing. She said Hakim Ziyech and a dominating national team. Most of them were born in France. They were raised in France, and I saw Motimi Abba. Tunisia is also following the same suit. Egypt, for the first time in the history of football, Etimi assembled 15 foreign-based players in a national team squad at the 2019 Africa Cup of Nations. And so trend now SSano. Now share how some countries have been affected by sad moment Kosuna. You come to believe that we will always have to get a Black Stars with players who are playing competitive and of high quality. It is a local player no I has say so player no bobo Ghana now you share the quality near the compare player maybe I will also to on position not on bad player now. I don't think say it is necessary for us to say because of a local player in Tonkobo. We are looking at quality. We want a standard performing national team. It is up a standard performing national team there. You always have to get the quality. Yako 2006 World Cup. You have two local players, Sheila Iliasu and Habib Mohamed. Your boy first game they didn't play, but the second game they had the opportunity to play and they cemented their positions. That time you can look at the players in the positions and Habib Mohamed at left back at that time and the consistency I know I can face. So all the to players are also ball left back at that time. Habib Mohamed was either the first
Emmanuel Adekoye Papo.
Yes, Adekoye Papo no two no World Cup. And apart from Adekoye Papo no two no, was there any left back and also go to Habib Mohamed?
I'm saying yeah, improvise Hans Edu Sapen.
Hans
Edu Sapen
but Hans Edu Sapen was even playing at right back,
but near Yuzuno
because
an improvised.
Adekoye Papo no left footed, no right footed, no right footed. Didn't improvise.
No, Adekoye Papo was left back. He was always playing at the left back.
But no
right footed. If you look at that time, at that moment, now
yes.
If you look at that time, Habib Mohamed 8 million to Adekoye Papo, a free Black Stars now. Was there any other player? I don't know if Europa, not the modern ball, bro Habib Mohamed Suara. The answer is no. Official Eliasua, someone was from the national team. Was there a central defender that time? I know bar, no so quality no bro Sheila Eliasu Suara. You look through and you see the answer is no. But today, over Black Stars now, you offer right backer. No, I said the local scene, player bang and the quality. A bang or more, and I said bro more bonus. It is the same thing. Over for Jordan are you? What's your fellow local player? You say local players here. Why in a bang Jordan are you? Me, yeah, people will always say young fair. Local boys,
but in terms of say, you're more the same playing for them compete here, they can match their peers.
Yes,
in Europe and elsewhere,
of course.
And so, should we give them the quota? And I am the Oyade Nemra.
Quota can help, but I don't believe in quota.
Okay.
If coach the feel say local player no, every team about
you don't believe in the quota system.
I don't believe in the quota.
Okay, Ayala.
Park of or Germany. I say, Obesa or Cassim, I say, or sending me voice note on to me, mintimum bontim. I mean,
your voice note,
yes, or say, Pesi who say, I be a great pa. Then share ne mammy, you know, mobile Blast Stars, Jordan, and Andrea, you. Or more a performance of my dining in the same come here will be from Ma, and we will see how good those guys are. But the entire Ghana for the piano. We subject them to say, oh, more still. A new standard no is because omo papa bo omo bo that's way trim. Into omo body and so yeah. Because we always measure them by omo papa. But senka omo ye PJ ma. And omo bobo no omo bona. Say Andrea you the akwaje walk up under 20. And then if you since then we are blasters with the oba the Jordan ba obe ni nyina. And can we appreciate them for who they are. And that adds to the greatness of Ora Fana Bedi Peleti. Why could you ask them now? How could you
say the age bracket and so on?
Oh, penny, papa, penny.
Say,
oh, Obenya, she have your car. Obenya,
papa, the name answer the generation.
Yes,
my mom share 50s now. No, but tell me, on the institute now.
Okay, you 50s for them, they're boy because of number one, they could feel money in 4 minutes. I go for
54, 60 years.
There's a I'm saying, yeah, opportunity to watch James J. Mo as a big watching Baba Yaramo. Oh, we had opportunity of watching them. But the greatest is James J. But this one, they best settle this call. James J. What do you know? But I'm brain kind of Nancy and we better
not a great kind of great and we don't remember him.
Because time
no, but if he's great because they say
I remember
golden barbs.
The same topic not me generation by generation. Now we frame fum. We frame fum. No, we also the greatest Baba Yara. Now Baba Yara Busan said na on she will be friend James J. So Mr. Famboni Chemi Utuche James J is the greatest ever. What's the name? Nirefi.
Okay.
Or come a guza de betoso. James J.
And then the generation of Bobo. And very good. No, then that generation didn't do good for him because I said
on the early 50s, no.
But is he a team?
Former Kotoko player, former Blasters player. Now Okwaboche coaching, so you know. Heavy.
My team from interview about James J.
I think it was last 5 years. And Rabah Mohammed Jabel started this argument in Algeria. Say, onim the entire and the trends are changing in Algerian football. Say, yeah, fair Algeria national team players are. It is being dominated by foreigners. Or captain are then foreigners. Then the debate in Algeria say, why more from foreigners? No say, now players no musi account man on no. Omuni mbo bochi omo musi account JS Kabili na. And that on there, they should continue calling the indigenous players no mubo Algerian league, to form the core of the Algerian national team. The argument against Rabah Maja was that say omusha Riyad Mahrez moa. Anybody no mubo abochire na. Under no circumstances. And Obet Maka say, players no musi akan Algeria ni mbo bochi omo. And that football a global sport say. Obia is trying to push talent to the top level so that as human resource they will come and help our national team for successes. May I so say Algeria with what they were able to do Egypt 2019. That argument of say Ampa Riyad Mahrez mo and a bit me aye adwuma no say Twitter because they've come and since honor Rabah Maja winning the AFCON for Algeria the next generation to win is this generation dominated by players in the foreign leagues. Football assistant. And many obi aye adwin say football assistant. Into those days now the AFCON with Kotoko, second year Zakes, House of Folk, Asante gold players no. And then the truth of the matter they say, even per the Ghanaian league standards of crowd here, your clubs here can want them even can compete on African club competitions. But in the past, there was the belief and a positive correlation between say yes, Kotoko players, Elkobo Blasters, Army AFCON, and it's a Kotoko players, NC account for Kotoko, Energy Champions League, and our mobile finals and our semi-finals. And the local players were doing well for their clubs and the local clubs, and until they can translate it into the national team. It was that simple. In this one, the last time a Ghanaian club actual dominance our African scene was also folk in 2000. And Ghanaians kept quiet when that same team was being used by Joseph Kofi representing Blasters against Nigeria. And the result the freestyle game by an HS Ampa. So that time you make argument say your quality and your local scene. So now you for Monkobo Blasters evidence was true. But PJ, the argument is that today the standard of the Ghanaian league and your local football are translated into the standard of your players you produce every league in the The truth of the matter is that to players no money exposure or elsewhere and almost standard exposure no money ball now and ye when consider so pick form our Ghana league in the now also free kicks now people started advocating saying Feno Emma number Blasters I asked one question on radio say question so at that time not only more watching after Duncan was swallow now and the answer was no. But not even that time no after Duncan can no Blasters call up. Nhyira fan. Oh dear, let's be charitable. Pick in the last 10 years, every Ghanaian player be no Jane na super no obo local league Libya na obiase yam fan or Blasters. Na yam one player when you call up every Europe me Bobby da never compare say indeed say any bias na wo ya was that player better than omo from nana and the answer will be no. But you see, say Yajitum say a league ni local football na aba from. and I produce talent now through the level you bet me am compete or a Blasters in there. Then the way to build that thing and go back to our tradition where we use these local players in winning AFCON is to concentrate on building a local league now. Let's everyone any concerted effort. We are Semtruni, we are football spectator, we are corporate person, we are government.
Just the start.
Any stakeholder be any role be a bit near play. Am I a local league, a local football? No, as I pretend to be in terms of the standard, no. Yeah. See, yes, sir. There will be investment into a league. You bet me retain your best players for long, and you do say you make it cogent arguments. Say, yeah, when Adams ball second year Hazakes for the last 5 years, consistent. Hazakes a year dear African club competitions or more semi-final or more final. Then you could call him. Look, this argument about Algeria. Any Rabo Maja say fair local players near there. Algeria AFCON no. Ushaya almost strength power was almost wingers no. And almost striker. One minute Algeria wingers no. Riyad Mahrez on the right, Yusuf Belali on the left. Yusuf Belali that time no. Now Obama Esperance at the Champions League back to back.
And he was the best player.
What I say? Me, I was even advocating say that year, see African Footballer of the Year. Now say, kind of the one who imparted on African football, you see Balali even deserve it than Mohamed Salah Sadio Mane Munina. And when even Algeria, our creme de la creme of foreign best players or mobile leagues like Edo Moji AFCON Umpono. The local ones now, African continent, so we infuse so into their team, were players that were playing in top class in Africa, and more competing in CAF competitions. And before, you bet me to make an argument for an as good player, you bet me to make an argument for House of Folk player, Kotoko player. We must see those players and those clubs they are playing for competing so well on the African continent. And someone can say, oh, Semeke I'm not saying because of my sentiment and the local content I'm say Eba Blasters name obo betimi abo. But PJ, in building your local content, that is where I go in for the quota system. Unim dientia, Mekai France 2016 yai omo host European competition European Championship Anytime we be ombesi akan ewo Leon Park ne subia. Do Pierre Gignac. Now, on said that one of the key players our France national team, but I did the chance for Bobby. Unim dentia, or say, Park na yabo no so no. And then go for now mobile stadium no. Or mu person mu local hero, our park ne so. Entiema Gignac in Kononko Bobby. Mekai Brazil 2014. Anytime they were playing a game, our either the Maracana and also any identifiable stadium beyond Brazil national team game biano. They found a local hero in a team and give him an opportunity. The best American say sometimes national teams any their strategy to build our local content, any a brand, any a football, no, it must be strategic. For instance, and now I can say Blasters Ebo Sudan Cape Coast Meboa. Strategically, we need to have a draft player in our national team. Say draft for our best player beer. Only Blaster standard in power. We need to have him in our team. Yeah, Bobo now in the 70th minute, 75th minute.
Said drafts are under liquidation. No, but
I'm saying, say, and that is the example I wanted to paint. Say, to build your local team, no. Look, even for us, I want a peculiar situation of apathy. Of your team, Blasters, no. Those local contents can help bridge that apathy, no. It's a Bobo or Cape Coast. We need to find a Cape Coast club. Any player in a national team. Oh, tons how much in a Dima locality.
It is true. In the 1992, Mekai Bukarata Ziza, or buy no. Now, that time to know Joe the branch, I'm okay with you. Mekai Nuanoma Kotela for Abu for Zungu for a kind who won't say that a Kotela North Zungu, in a kind boom coach. Park say, Coach. In fact, Keje Kumasi, Sajo, Keje Accra, Sashamu. Uba Kumasia, yet the Joe Debra, Fanny Tum, Okon Kraya, Fashamutu no more. And it worked. Now, Bukat, Marty Body Joe Bell Muna or crowd no. Yeah, Okwa akra to so a o de shabosu be jinema yeah so it's buttresses
once that time so no bomb match sinya so Kumasi answer na no bomb
Kumasi Joe Debra o konkraya shamu any problem
look it must be a strategy
sure
we've gone through apathy and the Blasters and you maybe can Ghana for see Blasters yen share Blasters ye bo gamer you see yen share I don't think of how do you bring I don't know bring back the love love must resonate and also reflecting with the locals seeing their heroes on their pitch. And you Baba Sports Stadium. Next year, Baba Blasters game, our Baba Sports Stadium. You can identify Kotoko's best player and give him a call up on that game. Who didn't need too much now and yet. And imagine Razak Abaloa. And Anka Kotoko for Baba Blaster game no Baba Sports Stadium. There Razak Abaloa team Emmanuel Jemfi our Blasters camp. We go from Baba Sports Stadium every Sunday to watch Kotoko games himself. Blasters born on mobile Emmanuel Jemfi. Coach Nisio, yeah, press conference, Kosika Konosio. Yes, Emmanuel Jemfi, local boy, at the point in time, Obama Naba game in him. Because of Onumquenty, people will come and watch the game. And say, yes, I know strategically, it helps to build the local game. No, you may a place new who say, Bono Mubohano. No matter the standard of your local game, no, there's an opportunity to use that in getting baby on Besomuduno by giving them national team platform. Oh yes, sir. Every local player be about on himself. The national team are watching. But say oh bobo. Na say oh bo locally go you know won say den. Na say only that's so be as a boy na obo no. E betimi a no call up to the national team proper. Then you be say won say players no born no mo born dey na mo hwehwe apart from say you be say a professional. And we must be strategic.
Okay.
And for the quota system, at least
into game say
two local players in each blaster
outfield players, not goalkeepers.
No, just two players.
Say goalkeeper cry anyway.
Yes, the answer your slot now is being filled by local players. Especially yet you see the venue where Kokobo game now. Mimi and Kaminyaya. Let's choose a local hero in our blasters.
Okay, best mark Usu Bempa, Ayala, and Watin in Kano. Charles Trineboa Edwaya, but was he playing without winning a trophy for your nation means you are not a legend. Nana Pokudiwayaba or said not Abedi, but I wish him a happy birthday. Or say Abedi is not the GOAT for Ghana, but I wish him a happy birthday. God bless him. And it's also Abba Muhammad Sani was my love for Abedi is because of his commitment for Ghana and Blasters. He plays with all his heart. He is always my greatest player. The same love I have for Dede. Jonathan Opoku Abedi is the greatest. Isaac Osei PJ Papa boss. We Kotoko fans are behind you and your management. Keep it up and be focused on our team. Ibrahim Guba Osei Senior. Pele is all-time best player of Pele is all-time best player. And all-time best for Ghana is Abedi. Enjoying from Edun. Richard Nketia, in fact, he plays better and nicer than the kids. Talking about Abedi Pele. Albert Ba was a fantastic legend of all time. Abedi is super. Dr. K.O.G. Danubian Fashion Center was say the greatest Ghanaian player of all time is Baba Yara. Now Baba Yara, what's the Canadian?
What if you have
okay. Because the man of questions so craba. Tell him it's hard to home. Now 1992 no, and so the last answer on so and the Kojima. He was a consistent goal getter for the Stars. On a to win
82 or Libya.
Yeah. Or share 5 goals.
Yeah.
All the matches you go except one.
The mechanic on the Ghana and Algeria game, no. Superb.
Baba Jordan Larson,
yeah.
What I say we are fast.
All those players you are mentioning. Why is the birthday? You get FIFA officially recognizing him. Look at how FIFA has treated Abedi Pele. I mean, really, the FIFA trial. I say, Abedi was surrounded by famous friends holding the trophy and rejoicing after the first ever Champions League final in 1993. We hope the 3-time African footballer of the year is celebrating again on his 56th birthday. And Omatage Olympic Marseille, Ghana football and CAF. That is the message and the recognition.
CAF also be over there, buddy. omo so far because if FIFA mention omo no
I la wo ni international and ya adwuma na we say Africa okay African because we international and me events say
local company
but say look at Ghana football
also the there na
CAF was say 3-time African Footballer of the Year 91 92 93
argument kakra class how we be say France Football Magazine for year 92 na ba 93 na CAF for na ba beje na yamfa ma be dia amafo so ye the style na nya
no CAF for na kasa na mention wa
but no say like say the PJ
CAF 93 yamfa ma be
CAF for year 93 but CAF for na kasa mention wa no obusa be di won it in 93 I was a 3-time African Footballer
it could be Rashid Yakin or something.
3-time African Player of the Year, 1991, 1992, 1993, and total AFCON winner in 1982. Happy birthday to one of Africa's greats.
One of.
No, Africa's great.
Okay. Ore ba before we film. Abi look at
Ghana Football Association also say happy birthday to the legendary Abedi Ayew Pele. 3-time African Footballer of the Year and ex-captain of the Black Stars. Stay blessed and have a good one, Maestro.
Much tradition.
Okay.
That is a recognition. Abedi Ewo Yase.
Okay,
on his birthday.
And also another look at you as the matter.
I come to the out to you 4 years ago. Okay. All right, but you have a interim kakra. And your car, Toyota Ghana Limited for Edin Semde and amount. Toyota Ghana Limited for and so Eddie Bonanza any free diagnosis. You be sure car na Arabia Humbiano. Ye Eddie Fru a 3-day Bonanza na Omo Yedia. Ye no dum na dwuma de ni frase last Tuesday ye and 5th November ye besa so aye na 6th November and 7th November ye sa so aye if na pa no nkono ekopim no 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. each day at the forecourt of Toyota Ghana branch Kumasi Adum. Oba honma ebeyama oba na beto spare part bi a honma ye tete so ma discount of 30%. Your spare part na ton be shock absorbers, wiper blade, fuel and oil filters, brake parts, light bulbs, any nyama pia e kan ka ho. Saturday the 7th of November ewo Adum. Your office na ni wodum na o ka no ba ye be hwehwe de fidie be sika na so ni ahwe yare bia obi ani ye pie na de fidie na sa so ai den ama ho treatment so the amount ye yi yare na pie no nya sa so ayi ho anu yie enso the amount sharing so say obi a o Toyota bia no fa bra ne fa honbejim bi na Friday tina 6th of November no so ye the Toyota fufuro bi fence Toyota Starlet and the unya oba bia ono wa hia mu a woni age ho wa bo am na wo so no na wato bia ma no Toyota Starlet no say den say no si konje tina ye nyina ye nchia ne empesa akas ne bi nto obetimi so akọ Facebook no hwe sa ansem ne bi Toyota Ghana Limited no hwe ope ho nsem ti afre 033220 26375 0322026375 and then the free computer training eba e nsempa na ye ka che obia Agape Harvest Institute na dia ba School of Science and Technology ye branch so we asa fa na nyina na dia ba hu de wodi a chew Kumasi branch oba Kumasi branch na ye ma free computer training na we am certificate account munipa 50 a mo bedi kan aba ye ma free computer training for a period of 3 months get a certificate account dia ma mo bra na be register. Now you dreading obi oya adwuma we businessman we student and now we school pompo na be so nya nim de wa ICT mu a baba register kekeka na ya maw the free computer training registration no just 150 Ghana cedis ye training the maw we niam certificate a baby abekobia no benya adwuma ye professors ne abrofo ene kirade njeka computing mu a omudi mi pa ye classes bia no pa ye bia wia na bia anwumre de the time ye be ye maw bia no na odo hu shim tutumrikai na bra be fa form na so fa hu remu bi form ne just 150 Ghana cedis. Agape Harvest Institute Ubecha Kwan yo Apiedu station first junction to the left our Kokobin Road behind the KNUST here Ubetimi so akọ the taxi maybe a taxi for any load now 5 back to school mo say time frame 0244 525244 0244 525244 and akọ website www.agapeharvestinstitute.com na do ho akọ jimubi brand be so computer mu say the oni no Agape Harvest Institute say equip to lead soccer bet and boy I can watch my yehwe nyina no yenhwe no kwa o hwa na watimi akoto bet nso to de papa udi ya na do sika ma and I can for soccer bet the amount soccer bet SOCCABET soccer bet yenkwa any multiple chances e o bet bi ma ye de ma yesa so ma greatest variety of bets I no so ye dem every game. Yes, I was the highest odds. They said the boys no ba be twa ho no ma eni. Eni ji sem say utwadi ye na emunum ho no ma instantly. Na do sika enso e dia ma. Enti ko soccer bet shop bi e ben wo. Ana betimi download the app na be go phone so, abegu Galaxy tab so, abegu computer bi aso. Na na ma na wo bet. No answer www.soccerbet.com. Na be go so, no follow the easy steps, no register account. Soccerbet, your best bet for sports betting. Adam Natural Man capsules and then the mixture ho. Bema no be shia, bema bi no be shia be 30 minutes per no jam. Bema de unyo ba. Esa one ne eda man kon hu yi. E be 1 hour bi. 2 hours no so ba no say obedu sika obeda gi na hoden obenya no stamina obenya no vim and vigor obenya no e ma ho emma ntem anansa no ntem no Adom Natural Man capsules ene ne mixture ye Adom Lady Care capsules ho eboa ma oba abu nsa otwa adwo otikumati mu bi ate wonka menstrual disorder oba so asabi ubu nsa nansa no obu na otwe no obu no enye oba abu nsa at least 28 day menstrual cycle say odwuma oba bu wa na so na ase ase po utom ube uyadnia obetum ese wase ne chi be ma ne ba no baji match na bona tenase ayebedi anko krobidin Adom P away capsules enso boa ma waist pains joint pains and rheumatism ayira Adom Natural Tonic enso emojaduro pa enteno nka so onum nye ode o abra Adom Natural Tonic ho onuma onum beti ubedu aduane de oni wode ubedi aka ho basa sanfro widie ne moja fiamfrim ne de moja pa abem dependable herbal home ne de sa enu yaba okoba bibiara o mamu hanom licensed chemical shops and pharmaceutical shops a ubenye bi ato your number 024-222-3555 024-222-3555 Jonathan Sands Limited nyame Adom Achina na dwumadi ni na efro gidigidi Monday to Thursday na mo ho but I do Friday and Saturday and Sunday and I say yes ni papa na free epoase abai mame watama no mabai e ma ho fefo nie Ukutesika kra nso na asa okwansa huru nyina Hennessy La Roche Belle blue label and a green label obi odo ni man red and black label your blue label no green label escafonsa Baileys ne Sheridan's ne Coversia ne nsama ka nyina no ebi ho me de amenom Bonnie Camp ene German sa now they are Janet Bitters eno no akosua nyantana na eye unya kaboma unya oba wabon say yes what oka osa Janet kitchen ye mo aduane pa bankuni tilapia rice and soup jollof rice ene Ghana aduane opa Nigeria for so Nigeria for aduane yo eba enegushi soup ngo obi a cow leg fish point and kill barbecue pepper soup vegetable soup and samolina vegetable soup and pando yam easy goat head insala white soup on and kwan ekokoda efitada white soup bra Nigeria aduane ne eba ne bedibi osa VIP lounge ho ene nya yeye for ne ba ho yeye for no wani mo na VIP for no bujuazi ne kwakoshe ho sunwo ho na ohwe foreign games European games bi onu obi ti won ma obi ehu mo nhwe bo ne wie no na ma wie dem bia na ma sore ko it Friday night Saturday night Sunday night yen kai na Jonathan Sands yen kwaji mu bi o ye party bi o ye wedding bi engagement bi funeral bi naming ceremony bi na opeduane o oda e de ama hoho a o fra kosia nyanta ana kosia ba afia oba be ye bi e de ama o pe Jonathan Sands o cross room just behind the Total filling station the number 0244-866759 0244-866759 Cabo amok oya kra no nyefie dwuma oda so da ka cho mama no papa se o ma amok papa ene ba mu anya hoodene aduane ma hoodene se vitamin A vitamin C vitamin D vitamin E vitamin K oduma obenya hoodene yare mo covid through e be sa so bie wadwene mu e ma okọ ne ye kire wade